to log out from your messenger on PC. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log out from your messenger on PC. For that, make sure you have downloaded messenger application on your computer. Now open your messenger application on your device, and once you reach to this page, here at the bottom left you will find your profile icon. Next to it you will find your profile name. Click on this profile name of yours, and then there you will find preferences option. Click on this option and a window will pop up on your screen. Once this window pops up, scroll down and under account and support you will find the logout option. You just simply have to click on this logout option and a dialog box will appear asking you if you are sure to log out or not. Go ahead and tap on this logout button right here, and after a while you will find you have successfully logged out from your messenger. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.